Hey everybody at the ATM gathered here. Young Somali people have kind of taken the initiative upon themselves to fix their own problems, and that really has moved me. I mean, thank you guys for the work that you're doing. Peace.
Adam and Abdi immediately head across town to meet with their fellow ATM activists in Mogadishu.
Today we actually going to see the mayor of Mogadishu Tassan to talk about our new office.
available meeshaas idinkaga dhigo Cabdilaahi Maxamed Nuur meeshaas idinkaga dhigo oo dhalinyaradana marmarba isugu yimaadaan.
Eventually, after months of preparation, the anti-tribalism movement is ready to host its first event in Mogadishu, and the Prime Minister of the time, Abdiweli Mohamed Ali, takes to the stage.
Soomaaliya inta 20 sano xolaad iyo dib ay ku jirtay dhibaatadaasi sabab u yahay qabyaalad. marka maadaama ay caqabad ku tahay qabsiga iyo horumarka dalka waxa laga maarmaana in laga hor yimaado in isku meel looga soo wareejiyo.
annagu qofka Soomaaliyeed siyaasadda ay aaminsan yihiin iyaga u taala oo siyaasadda anagu ma dhexgarin laakiin qofka Soomaaliyeed qabyaalada ka nadiifin dhammaantiin aad iyo aad loo naafiyo sida qiimaha leh looga soo qaybgashay mar labaad waa dib loo sii dhigay.
The event was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's timely, it's needed. It's time for reconciliation and healing.
The biggest resource we have is youth, and they are targeting youth in a manner where nobody targeted before.
Their story is one that is repeated right across Mogadishu, as Somalia's capital city begins a new chapter in its history.
I don't think if I go back to London, I would be the same person I was before. There's a lot of things that I can do for myself and for my people, and I can see in my future living in Somalia.
The old way of doing things of clan division hasn't worked. It hasn't worked for 21 years. We need the young people to take the initiative and say, enough is enough. If we don't take that challenge and if we don't make a change, nobody will make a change for us.